Alright, Twinks, we're back at it. Fortnite time again! I'm doing zero build because I cannot build for shit. Alright. Anything new? Oh, this is new, isn't it? Lisa? This wasn't in here. No, what I saw earlier on Instagram. Where is he at? Where is he at? Where is this twink at? Where is this homo at? Where's he at? Where's the homo? Am I tripping? That shit is gay. Where is the homo at? I want to get some shoes. Where's the homo? Where is he? What the fuck? Where is he? Is he a battle pass? Would he? I would think so. He's not. What the fuck? Am I retarded? Or is it not today? I'm pretty sure it's not today. Alright, whatever. Anyways, let's get this shit going. It's Fortnite time! Yeah! Oh, where have I not gone? Oh, this place? I'm not going all over there. Fuck that. Oh, let's just go here. Wait, what the fuck? Are those donuts? Oh, wait, no. Aren't, like, donuts supposed to fall off from the sky? Or, like, food supposed to fall from the sky now? I saw, like, a video on that shit. I don't know. Okay. Is he shooting me? Oh, shit. How did he not see me? You know what? I'm not even gonna fuck with that. I'm not even gonna fuck with that. I'm gonna get these minis and be on my way. Or not! Oh, shit. I'm an idiot. Where's he at? Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck! Fuck! Well, that first game sucked. He's just excited. He knows where he's going. Holy shit, she's fucking zooming! Oh, fuck, where are we going? We're just jumping. I feel like the volume is so low. Holy dick. I don't even know where I'm going. I'm not paying attention. I see a box right here. Oh, shit. No, I got ahead for him. Ah, pussy! Come here, homie. Come here, homie. Oops. Oh, fuck, I'm fucked. No, that's my kill! Oh, shit. Hello. No! The fuck! Ah! I'm sucking right now. I'm sucking hard right now.
What's up, bitches? Today is another week of eating this week's crumble cookie, and we have
Shut up, fat bitch.
I'm Squidward.
I'm Charlie Kirk. I am Charlie. What the fuck? Oh, I was like, what's wrong with his skin? It's just a silver server. Us. I'll go back here. Oh, I should have gone on that hill. Yeah, I had to record like. This is my third video I'm recording today. It's still November 14th right now, and I've recorded. This is my third video I've recorded today. Now I need to like stack up because I got 12-hour shifts coming up for work. I am cooked this week for work. They got me fucking slaving over there. I'm literally losing my mind there. People say that like you get brain rotted over there. You really do. You really do get brain rotted. I'm What the fuck is going on, bro? I was like, where the fuck is he at? God damn, man.
Sit. There you go. You don't listen. Now you just got dropped in front of everybody.
Speaking of dogs, I keep seeing this video. Not keep seeing. I saw a video on Twitter where this dog had a grasp. Anyways, he was chomped on his fucking face. He was chomping on this dog's face, and he would not let the fuck go. In my opinion, all right, yeah. In my opinion, I don't think it's that really hard to get a dog off of you. Cause it's a dog. It's smaller than you. Yeah, they seem strong as shit, but there's no way it's that hard. No way. Their jaws are not that strong. And the guy trying to get the dog, or whatever, the guy trying to get the dog off the other dog, instead of like grab it. All right, yeah. What the fuck are you trying to do here? Instead of the guy trying to like grab the dog's mouth and like open his mouth up and, you know, take the dog off of him, take a dog off of the other dog. What was he doing? He instead starts fingering it. He starts fingering the fucking dog. And he's telling everyone, "No, you gotta finger it. You gotta finger it." And while he's fingering it, only one hand. Where is this? He only has one finger up there, and you see he starts realizing that's not working. So he starts putting his whole fucking hand in there. What? Are you that fucking retarded? You gotta start fingering. You gotta finger his asshole. You gotta finger his asshole. Shut the fuck up, retard. God, you're stupid. What fucking idiot doesn't know how to take a dog off another dog? And if a dog like starts attacking me too, just attack it. You start attacking the dog. The only reason why the dog's attacking you because it's fucking. Oh, what the? I didn't even see him. Oh. Oh shit! I'm fucked. I'm fucked. I'm fucked. I'm fucked. Shit. Fuck. No, not the med kit! Oh my god. I swear to god if I die right now. Ah, pussy! Teach me how to fucking Dougie! Oh wait. Oh shit. I see a guy coming. I see a guy coming. Get the crown! Get the fuck out of here! Alright, yeah. God, that scared me. But yeah, there's no reason why a dog should be beating your ass. It's a fucking dog. You see how fucking small they are? Dude, there's some big ass ones though. Still, they get a hold of their arms, they ain't gonna do shit. Get a hold of their arms, they ain't gonna do shit. It's not really hard to beat the shit out of a fucking dog if it's attacking you. What the fuck? What did I just see? Oh, whatever. It's not really that hard to beat the shit out of a dog. I'm not saying I beat the shit out of mine, but like when mine tries to fuck with me, I'm gonna fuck with him. I'm gonna show that no, you're not the fucking dominant one. I am. What does this Slurpee do? What the fuck? What happened? Anyways, yeah. If a dog's attacking you, don't be a pussy and try to run away. That's probably the last thing you should be doing if a dog's attacking you. Do not run away. Fight it. Stop being a pussy. Fight the fucking dog. That's the only reason why the dog's attacking you, because it's fucking scared. Dogs are pussies. What the fuck? Anyways. Yeah, and when you're trying to fight the dog, if you're trying to look for its weak spots, you grab its legs and you pull them straight up. That's all you do. Pull them up and walk forward. They're gonna fall on their back and they're gonna get scared. Another one, their ears. If you can fucking bite their ears or dig your nails in their ears, they're gonna start crying. What the fuck am I hearing? What the fuck is that? Oh shit. Did he see me? What the fuck am I looking at right now? Is this in the show? Yeah, I'm just gonna I'm just gonna take this real quick. Oh, that was useless. All right. Can I? Fuck! What the fuck? What was that? Who's that little shit? Alright, I'll take this though. That was easy. I don't know, I was so scared. Fucking terrified me. I am evil Homer. I am evil Homer. That's gonna be stuck in my head. Alright, let's keep going. What was I talking about? Dogs. Beating the shit out of dogs, yeah. Sound like Michael Vick. Oh. Jesus Christ. Holy shit, can I hit a shot? Pussy. Anyways, what is that little thing? Alright, yeah. What was I talking about? Dogs. I think that's basically it. It's not that hard to take a dog off another dog. I hate old women who have tiny dogs who I think I just hate old women with tiny dogs. And then I hate owners who have dogs who don't put their dogs on a leash, who need to be on a leash. Because I believe in, like, if your dog is cool enough and doesn't need to be on a leash, don't let him be on a leash. I mean, my dog really doesn't need to be on a leash, but he does and he doesn't. He doesn't and he does. Because he could just walk around. If there's nobody when I'm walking around, he could stay off his leash. He's not going to go anywhere. He's fucking terrified. He's got, like, what is it? Separation anxiety. Or, like, if I were to run away or, like, run away from him, he'll just run, like, towards me and start crying. He's a little baby. But, no, if there's people around, he won't really jump on them. He'll just, like, run towards them. People thinking that he's going to attack him, but no, he's just going to, like, try to rub up on you because he wants you to pet you. He wants him to pet you. That's how most dogs are. That's the only reason why they're running towards you, because they want you to pet them. They don't understand because they're retarded. Their whole world revolves around them getting pet. That's all they fucking want, is them to be pet. Sometimes people don't want to fucking pet you though. You know, it's always the same thing whenever I try to run towards a girl, because I want them to pet me too. But when I start running towards them, they start freaking out, start calling the cops. Like, I don't know why they start calling the cops. I'm just trying to get pet. Yeah, especially when at night too. I see them at night alone running, like they're on like their nightly jog or something, and I start running towards them full speed, and they start getting scared for some reason. I don't know why. It kind of makes no sense. Like I'm just trying to get pet, dog. I see you. Punk ass bitch. Get opt. What the fuck is that? I hear something. Oh, what the fuck is that? Oh my god. Am I seeing this right? Oh, what the fuck is going on? What the hell is happening? Am I retarded? Is this a live event? Am I getting shot at? What the fuck is going on? I heard shots. Oh my god. I'm scared. I'm so fucking scared right now. What the fuck just happened? And what the fuck is this? All the houses are gone. I'm evil Homer. I am evil Homer. What the fuck was I talking about? Oh yeah, chasing girls. I mean, no, no. Me wanting to get pet by women. Yeah, is it too hard to ask for a guy like me just to get pet? I just want to get pet, dude. I just want to be your good boy. All I'm looking for is a 5'2" Latina mama with 85-pound titties who would here and there shit on my chest. Oh fuck. What the? There's no fucking way. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Fuck me, bro. Are you kidding me? Fuck, man. At least I got a kill. Damn it. Oh, he was dead, bro. Oh shit, the zone's coming. I gotta get that. I gotta drink that big pot. No, I gotta drink these minis, then that big pot. Hope it's not coming fast. Like me. I don't last that long. What the fuck? Oh, I got 3 big pots. Hell yeah. Alright, I'm gonna take this car. Oh shit, hurry up. Go! What the fuck? Why there's so much donuts? Is this cloudy or the chance of meatballs? Oh, I see you, bitch.
Boom! Punk ass.
Where you at, homie? Oh shit. Oh, you're a bitch, bro. You're honestly a bitch. I'm getting that guy. I'm fucking killing him. Where'd he go? Oh, I thought that was the guy right there. Oh, there he is. I see you. I'll get your bitch ass. There's probably a dude behind me. He's probably going down there, honestly. Where you going, nigga? Ooh. Oh, I gotta go there. I gotta go there. Oh, he sees me. He sees me. He sees me. Come over here, pussy. Come over here. Where you at, homie? Yeah. Oh. Fuck! How can I not hit him? There. Oh, I was about to say, what the fuck? Oh, I hate this guy. This is the guy that ran away with. Oh, my Hyena just made me a TikTok. What the fuck she make me? What the fuck is this?
You just gotta let my love adorn you. Let it brush it down. You've gotta know that I adorn you. Yeah, that babe. Ooh,
Oh my fucking god. Oh shit. Oh, that's fucking funny. Even though I'm an idiot, I planned that shit. I couldn't take it serious. That shit was too funny. What's up, homie? Where are you going? I'm gonna follow you. Oh, I see a gun right there. Oh, I see a mini too. I probably have gone for that mini. What? Pick up the minis. There better be a gun in here. Of course there's not. Oh, fuck. Uh-oh. Bye! Oh. Oh shit. 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 Oh, what the fuck? How did it? Was there a hole in the roof? Fuck me, man. Yo, what's with all the fine hyenas like being at fucking Texas and shit? Here in fucking California, it's just fat, ugly hyenas, fool. Tortas. It's all just fucking tortas. I'm sick of the tortas here, bro. We need more than just tortas. And what's worse about where I live, everybody fucking know everybody. So if you're talking to someone, your fucking homeboy probably knows them too. And no one's fucking safe here. No one's safe. No one's loyal. No one, nada. Everybody know everybody. It's fucking ridiculous. Hey. You know what else I'm sick and tired of? These fucking gooners paying all these OnlyFans chicks all this fucking dumbass money. Sophie Rain is making LeBron James money. LeBron James money. That Sophie Rain, a random fucking bitch, is making the same income as LeBron fucking James. What is wrong with our country? Now, have we fucking lost it? What's with these sick fucks sending money to these hyenas, fool? I'm tired of it. It's not fucking fair. You're telling me because I'm not that fucking good looking. I don't look like Sophie Rain. Who the fuck want to jack off to me? Who the fuck is gonna who's gonna send me money to jack off to me? Oh my fucking god. God. I hope that runs through her mind every fucking day. There's gooners. They're 40. There's like 45-year-old, 30-year-old virgins sending her thousands of money. Thousands of money. Thousands of dollars. Fuck, bro. It's just, they just, what?
Mo's Tavern. Hello, Mo. Your sister's being raped.
Alright, yeah, totally. Yeah, they're just sending thousands of dollars to these females just to send, just for, not even to send the good shit either. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I looked at Reddit, and what? Oh shit! Oh wait! Is this the same guy? It's the same guy! Oh my god! Wait, hold on. You need many? Oh, thank you! Hell yeah. That's awesome. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, what else I got? I got this one. Hey! Let's fucking go. Alright, I'll let you come in. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Is he gonna kill me? That's so awesome. I love that. See, this is why you shouldn't send OnlyFans money, or this is why you shouldn't send money to OnlyFans bitches. You know, forget about the females, dogs. Just keep gaming. If us men start... El Barto. How do I... Okay, yeah. If us men all form an alliance, is that what it's called? Where we stop paying these bitches on OnlyFans, so where they to the point where they get broke and have to get real jobs. Stop sending these females. Oh my god! Stop sending these women money for their OnlyFans, so they could pay for their fucking mansions, bro. Enough is enough. Stop sending the money, bro. Stop gooning. No, that's what also doesn't make sense. You're sending money to these females to look at them not even naked. Probably even half naked. Go to porn, bro! Fuck! Oh, shit. This gun is terrible. Oh, shit. I wanted to get up here. Fuck, 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 fuck. Nope, 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 nope. I'm out of here, pussy! Punk ass. Oh, he's gonna get me, isn't he? Nope, nope, you're not gonna get me. You're not gonna get me. I'm not gonna get this. Give you the satisfaction of you getting me. Nope. But yeah, why are you jacking off to women who are half naked and paying for it? Go to fucking Pornhub, loser. It's free. It's fucking free. It's free to jack off, bro. Should not be needing to send money to jack off. It's ridiculous, man. Punk ass bitch. Oh. That's all for you, bro. You can have that. You can have that, bro. Yeah, you can have that. You're welcome, G. No, take it. Oh, thank you! Thank you! Awesome. Thanks, man. That's awesome. What is this? What the fuck? What is this? No, I don't want that. Where are you going? Where are you going? Hey! Wait! You forgot about our hug. This guy's fucking awesome, man. Oh, I shit did it all over here. What the fuck? Alright, I'll catch you later, my guy. See you later. Bye! That's fucking awesome. Oh, I love Fortnite. Oh fuck, there's a hyena right there. Is he getting shot at? I think he's fighting someone. Oh fuck, that better not be him. That better have not been him. No! No! You come back here! No! Do not take that car. Where are you? No! 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 Oh no, he killed my friend. Oh man. Ah. I think I'm gonna end it there. I'm definitely gonna end it there. Oh, kill him! Kill him! Kill that bitch! Oh, come on, bro. Oh, of course you're gonna fucking run away. I'm not watching this. Yeah, I'm gonna end it there. Thanks for watching. Peace, y'all. Later, twinks.